Hi class. Today I'm going to show you guys how to maximize your use of Google Classroom. So first we're going to go over to the Google Classwork tab. I'm going to use my period 7 English class as an example. So using the stream is not the most efficient use of Google Classroom. When you use the stream, you have to scroll down through a lot of different things and trying to find the assignments, and the assignments are hard to find, and it's hard to find all of the parts of the assignment, especially if your teacher has organized them the way that I have. So the best way to use Google Classroom is to go to Classwork. Go to Classwork, and as you can see in Classwork, the topics are arranged by the title of the unit, as well as, so right here you have some reading resources that I put in here for you. You also have the unit that we're currently working on, which is the Age of Responsibility. So some of you have contacted me and said that you're lost, you're not able to find it. It's probably because you're using Stream. So if you go to Classwork, the Classwork tab, like I show you in class all the time, and then click on, and then you go to Age of Responsibility, now you can see everything that you're going to need to use in order to get the work done for the week. So for Age of Responsibility, you're going to need the PowerPoint or the Google Slides presentation that I provided for you. And then if you click on that, that'll expand it. Let's see if that'll work. Running a little slow. Then you can click on the Google slide. Once you click on the Google slide, it should open. Running a little slow. There we go. So it should open into the overview and all of the things that you're going to need. It also is going to show you by activity. So it's going to show you by activity what it is you actually need to do for the week. So activity 1 is for the first day that you start. Now, hopefully that's Monday, but if it's not Monday, this is the first activity that you should start with. Okay. And then it's going to have some information possibly, and then that you're going to just read through. And then there's activity 2. So this is the second activity that you should do. Make sure you do the activities in order, because otherwise you'll get confused as to what exactly it's being talked about, and you're not going to necessarily understand the activities that are attached to this. So you do need to use the PowerPoint. Then if we go back to Google Classroom, not only do you need to use the slide presentation / PowerPoint, you also need to use the activities and assignments. These are the ones that you're going to turn in at the end of the week. So if we click on that and we open the Age of Responsibility Google Doc, in your Google Doc, that opens up. So in your Google Doc, there's a table of contents. So the table of contents has the links to all of the assignments that you're going to do. So the assignments are all in this document. So if you scroll down, you'll see them too. But a quick way to do it would be to just click on the link in the Google Doc once it's all settled. So if you click on the link in the Google Doc and you click on the actual link, it'll take you right to the activity that you need to do. So see here, this one is telling you you're going to open week 1 in Google Slides PowerPoint. You're going to read the unit overview, read the essential question, watch the 2 videos, and jot down in the notes in the table. So here's the table. So also right above, it says that all the assignments that have the pinkish, purplish color, whatever this color is, these are the assignments that I'm going to be grading. So that gives you a color coding as to what is going to be graded. So that says that here, everything highlighted in pink, something that you should complete and will be graded. Okay. So if you have any questions after this, please make sure that you hit me on Remind, or you can email me at at misshowardsclasses18@gmail.com. That way it hits my phone. If you have any questions, hit me there, and I'll talk to you guys later.